हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं? कुछ पढ़ के आए हो आज या वैसे ही आ गए? चलिए अगेन हम लास्ट क्लास से कंटिन्यू करते हैं। माय सेल्फ डॉक्टर संजय राजवंशी। टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस। इन लास्ट क्लास आई एक्सप्लेन कि few types of chemical reaction. Number 1, combination reactions. Number 2, decomposition reactions. Number 3, this simple displacement reactions. Number 4, double displacement reactions. And finally, in your course, oxidation and reduction reactions. Last class में we have discussed about combination of reactions. Today we will discuss in detail decomposition reactions. So anybody can tell me what is decomposition reactions? So write down the definition. Please note down decomposition reactions. Those reactions in which a compound is split into two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reactions. I repeat it again. Those reactions in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reaction. Dear students, please note down here. In the case of decomposition reactions takes place. So when decomposition reaction takes place, it needs some kind of energy. And this energy is in the form of heat, in the form of electricity, or in the form of sunlight or any kind of light. Then the reactants decompose into the two or more products. Now I can take simple example of decomposition reactions. We take it hydrated ferrous sulfate. What is the meaning of hydrated ferrous sulfate? It means ferrous sulfate has water molecule. And when we see it, observe it, its color is green. So if you given heat, heated the hydrated ferrous sulfate, then this hydrated ferrous sulfate it decompose into simple ferrous sulfate, that is called anhydrous ferrous sulfate plus water molecule in the form of liquid, ferrous sulfate in the form of solid. So this is the FeSO4 7H2O is the formula of hydrated ferrous sulfate. Its color is green. When we given some amount of heat, this hydrated ferrous sulfate is decomposed into anhydrous ferrous sulfate and its color is white and water molecule is separated from the hydrated ferrous sulfate. Now again we continue heated. We given the more heat to this solution. So this is ferrous sulfate in solid form. This is called anhydrous ferrous sulfate. Its color is white. We continue given heat, more heat. Then this ferrous sulfate is converted into, or we can say decomposed into ferric oxide Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide gas plus sulfur trioxide gas, and this color of ferric oxide is brown color. कैसा कलर होगा इसका? Brown color. And we smell it. SO2 and SO3 have the smell of burning sulfur. SO2 and SO3 have the smell of burning sulfur. So anhydrous ferrous sulfate decompose into ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. This is the good example of decomposition reactions. Now next topic, now we discuss types of decomposition reactions. The types of decomposition reactions are three types. Number 1, 2, 3, or you can say A, B, C. Number 1, thermal decomposition reactions. Number 2, electrolytic decomposition reactions. This is also known as electrolysis. And number 3 is your photo decomposition reactions. And this type of reactions is called photolysis. Now I explain these one by one. So first I take it thermal decomposition reactions. Which one? Thermal decomposition reaction. Please note down the definition of thermal decomposition reaction. When decomposition reactions carried out by burning of, or we can say when decomposition reactions is carried out by heating, it is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Is carried out by the heating is known as thermal decomposition reaction. We take it the example of thermal decomposition reaction. It's a simple example of thermal decomposition reaction is decomposition of limestone on heating. When we heat the limestone, then is decomposed into quicklime. So what is the formula of limestone? It is CaCO3. This is in solid form. Formula of limestone is CaCO3. It is in solid form. Then when we give heat, heating, we provide the heat. Then this limestone is converted into quicklime. What is the formula of quicklime? Calcium oxide, solid, CaO. It is the formula of quicklime, and it's released carbon dioxide gas. This is in the gas form, and it releases carbon dioxide gas. So when calcium carbonate is heated, it breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is the example of decomposition reactions with heating and is known as thermal decomposition reactions. So this is the example of thermal decomposition reaction. Now I am going to explain second types of decomposition reaction. This is also example of decomposition reaction. But decomposition reaction are three types: thermal, electrolytic and photocomposition. We are on heating, so it is thermal. When heat is thermal, when electric current flow, electrolytic. When sunlight falls, then photo. So now we discuss second, electrolytic decomposition reactions. Electrolytic decomposition reactions is also known as electrolysis. So write down the definition of electrolytic decomposition reactions. So decomposition reactions which takes place when you heat. Here which takes place in the presence of electric current. I repeat it again. Decomposition reactions which takes place when electric current is passed through the substances or compound in molten state or in aqueous solution. So we have to pass the electric current when substance is in the molten state or in the form of aqueous solution. So when we pass the electric current, then it decomposes it into its some other products. So that process is known as electrolysis. I repeat it again. Please note down its definition. Decomposition reactions which takes place when electric current is passed through the compound in molten state or in aqueous solutions are called electrolysis, decomposition, reactions, or simply we can say electrolysis. And the simple example of electrolysis is electrolysis of water. The electrolysis of water, so example of, this is example for A, now example I write down for electrolysis decomposition. So if we take it acidified water, I will explain after some time why we take it acidified water. So we take it acidified water and pass the electric current, मतलब प्रोसेस इज इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस. कौन सा प्रोसेस लेंगे हम यहाँ पे? इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक करंट उसमें पास करना है. तो जब आपने क्या लिया है, प्योर वाटर नहीं लेना, कैसा लेना है? एसिडिफाइड वाटर, when it pass the electric current, then is decomposed into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, and its ratio is 2:1. The acidified water undergoes electrolysis. Acidified water undergoes electrolysis, produces hydrogen and oxygen gas in the ratio of 2:1. मतलब हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन रेशियो इज 2:1 in the ratio of 2:1. So this is your example of electrolysis. If you take it pure water, so pure water is poor conductor of electricity. That's why we take it acidified water here, because acidified water is good conductor of electricity in comparison to the pure water. This is the reason I have taken here acidified water. Now I am going to explain third type, that is photo decomposition reactions, photolysis. So please note down the definition of photo decomposition reactions. In the decomposition reactions which takes place on absorption of light, the decomposition reactions which takes place on absorption of light, then it is called a photo decomposition reaction. That is called a photo decomposition reaction, or simply we can say photolysis. Now I explain some example of photo decomposition reactions. Note down one example, कि when silver chloride AgCl, क्या लेना है आपको? सिल्वर क्लोराइड. तो when silver chloride is this is a photosensitive material. Silver chloride is a photosensitive material. Remember this thing. The silver chloride is a photosensitive material. So when silver chloride is fall the photosensitive light on the silver chloride, then it decomposes into silver and chloride ion. It decomposes into silver and chloride ion, form some symbol Ag plus Cl2. So it decomposes into silver and chloride. Here silver is solid and this is in gas in the presence of sunlight. क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? In the presence of sunlight. So silver chloride, its color is white and it's decomposed into silver and chlorine, and color of silver is grey, G-R-E-Y, grey color हो जाएगा इसका. This color is grey. Excuse me. Now कहने के वे कि silver chloride is a photosensitive substance. So in the presence of sunlight, this silver chloride decompose into silver and chlorine. तो Ag plus Cl2, इसको बैलेंस करिए भाई. क्लोरीन 2 है तो राइट डाउन 2 here. Now silver 2, it is 2. So 2 AgCl is sunlight is equal to 2 Ag plus Cl2. Another example of photo decomposition reaction. Similarly, silver chloride, silver bromide is also a photosensitive material. So decomposition of silver bromide in the presence of light. Decomposition of silver bromide in the presence of light. So your example, this again you can say this is 1 and this is C2. The silver bromide AgBr, और I can note down here. ओके यहाँ पे ठीक है. तो AgBr सॉलिड फॉर्म, ऐसी फॉर्म है इसकी सॉलिड, किसकी प्रेजेंस में वर्क कराना है? सनलाइट में. किसमें रिएक्शन होगा ये? सनलाइट में. क्या बनेगा? सनलाइट. जब इसको सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन करेंगे तो हमारे पास बन जाएगा 2Ag प्लस सॉलिड प्लस नाउ ब्रोमीन Br2, और ये कौन सी फॉर्म होगी? गैस फॉर्म होगी. तो सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड डिकम्पोज इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, सिल्वर एंड ब्रोमीन. द कलर ऑफ सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड इज पेल येलो. इसका कलर कैसा होता है? पेल येलो. The color of silver bromide is pale yellow and color of silver is grayish white and color of bromide is reddish brown. It is reddish brown and it is bright. So these two are the example of photo decomposition reactions. Color of silver is here grayish white and this is reddish brown. लिखूं? Grayish white. Grayish white is the color of silver brown, or color of bromine is reddish brown. इसका कलर होगा reddish brown. Reddish brown. So pale yellow convert into grayish white and reddish brown. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. We will discuss in the next class simple displacement reaction. Thanks you. Bye bye.